Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge Amazon box to open for you guys, and some of this stuff is going to be Christmas presents for my fiance, which I will not show on camera because I don't want to spoil the surprise, but some of it is for me as well. I think why they use such a big box is because one of the items I ordered is supposedly very heavy and big, and it is a heavy box. So I'm gonna try to see if I can show you. So this is the tape that they usually put on their packaging. So yeah, I'm gonna just open this off camera and then I will show you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've went ahead and opened the box off camera, and I've taken out the stuff that's for him, and all his stuff is like in little individual boxes, so that's good. It's easy to wrap those. There's a couple things that I will put in the stocking which I wouldn't wrap. We don't usually wrap the stuff we put in the stocking anyway, so it's a good thing because those will be kind of hard to wrap. I would have probably had to put them like in a gift bag or something, but they're not expensive, those ones. So I just took those out, and I don't have a lot of stuff for me in here. A few snack items because I love my little desserts. So they put a lot of bubble wrap in there, which is good. I really like ordering from Amazon because you can find all sorts of things there. Okay, so his stuff was like 5 or 6 items that I took out, and I've got about 7 things in here for me. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this Rice Krispies rainbow bars. I think I tried this like maybe once or twice and I really liked it. So I just decided to pick these up. I think they were like a really good price, and you've got 8 bars in there, so that's pretty good. Just checking to see if it's sealed because, you know, it's food. I don't want to mess around with that. So that's what that looks like. And they also had the Pop-Tarts, but I don't think I'm a big fan of that one, so I didn't bother. Actually, I got 2 of these, so this will be a good little snack. I don't think my fiance cares for this too much, but they will be good. I can have them. Okay, and then the next thing I got was these vitamins. It's called a sunshine vitamin, and it's this vitamin D3. And there is, how many in here? 260 tablets. So in the winter time we don't get a lot of sunshine, so I think I'm gonna try and take a supplement. So I got these. They were actually a pretty good price, and this is by Weber Naturals. So they make a lot of vitamins, because I'm not really on any multivitamins, so I always buy them and then I start taking them and then I just stop because like I don't really see any improvements. And then the next thing I got is more skincare, and I really love my skincare, and this is by the L'Oreal brand. It's the Hydra Genius Daily Liquid Care and for normal skin and glowing skin. So I actually was googling skincare for winter time, and this came up as one of the results, and I went on the Amazon. I usually check between Amazon and London Drugs just to compare prices because I like Amazon, but sometimes you don't always get a good deal on there. It would be cheaper to buy it somewhere else. So I checked on Amazon and it was a good price. So I decided to grab it because I want to have really good skincare for winter time. So this is what it looks like. Really nice packaging. L'Oreal is always good with packaging. And it's got a little pump there. and it seems to be a thicker consistency, which is what I'm gonna need for the winter time. It says use every morning and night after cleansing, gently smoothing over face. So that is what it looks like. And then the next thing I got was this Nivea lip balm, and it's a caring lip balm, and it's got SPF 30 in it, which is good for like in the like summertime. You can use it. I even use a high SPF in the winter time, especially when it's a sunny day, you know, because they say even though you think it's winter time, the rays are still coming through, you can still damage your skin. So, and you do have to protect your lips as well. I don't think a lot of people realize that you need sunscreen on the lips as well. So I decided to get the lip balm that has it, because I usually just put some sunscreen on my lips, but I don't like how it feels, and I think it dries my lips out. So that is why I picked this one up. I'm either gonna keep this or give it to my fiance, because he does a lot of outdoor work in the summer, so you practically have to force him to use sunscreen or he wouldn't use any, and he's always getting really red. So I'm gonna probably give him. So this is what it looks like. I wish they had turned it so you can see the name. I don't know how good you're seeing this, but that is what it looks like. So then the next thing I got was another chapstick, which is called Softlips Sheer. And I like how this is in a sealed packaging. That's really nice. So nobody can tamper with it, sort of. And this is called the Color Changing Lip Balm. Uniquely your color, beeswax and argan oil, 10-hour moisture, and fuller and brighter lips. And it's a strawberry flavored one. So I don't know if it's gonna really give me a hint of color, but we'll see. But we don't really have a lot of lip balms at home, so I figured I would get a couple. It's always good to have more at home, because then you can keep it like in your vehicle, put it in your jacket, so you always have it. And I've placed another order with Amazon, and I'm getting some other lip balms. It's not, I would say it's a chapstick, and it's for healing, because I get really dry lips and they peel and they really hurt a lot. So I get it really bad. So I think I need that healing type ones instead of these flavored type ones. But I'll try this. I like to wear it and then put my lipstick on top of it. So, you know, you give your lips that extra moisture, because sometimes I find with wearing lipsticks, it dries it out too. So with that extra added moisture, it helps a little bit. So this is what it looks like. And I hope you're seeing this. I can't really tell if it's clear or not unless I put my glasses on. Then the last thing I got was by the brand Milkshake. So I've never used this brand before, and I was at somebody's house and I noticed that they had the shampoo and conditioner, like it's made for different hair colors, because they're blonde and it was made for blonde hair. And I opened it and I smelled it, and it smelled really nice. So then I went on Amazon and I was looking, and they have a lot of different stuff by this brand. They make hair treatments and stuff. There was another foaming treatment that I wanted to get. I think it might be a mousse of some sort, but they wouldn't ship it to my address. So I was really disappointed, because I find with Amazon a lot of times they don't want to ship stuff to my address, because they say it's flammable and stuff like that, or they come up with different terms. So I get really disappointed, because I would add stuff to my cart, and then when I go to checkout, then suddenly you see, well, some items in your cart can't be shipped to your address. So it really annoys me when they do that. So this here is called an Incredible Milk, and it's got 12 effects. I am not sure if it's a leave-in treatment, but this is what it looks like. It's very small. They had the small one and the big one. I decided to go for the small one first just to try it out and see if I really like it. You know, because sometimes you buy products and it doesn't really work for you, and then you're stuck with a whole lot of it. So I decided to go with the small. With the mousse that I wanted to get, there was a small size in that one as well, but they don't want to ship, so I'm gonna try ordering it again. Maybe not right now because I'm buying a lot of Christmas presents, so I do have the other order coming, like I mentioned, and I will be placing another order because there's some other Christmas presents I want to get there, but I might not order too many things for myself this time, but we'll see. So if I had my glasses, I would have been able to read what this says to you. Okay, so it's actually a leave-in treatment for all hair types. So I'm not sure. Let me see how to use, if it says here. Repairs all hair types. Frizz control, prevents split ends. Heat protection, long-lasting hairstyle. Incredibly detangling, magnificent shine. Adds body and volume. Easier ironing, like when you use your flat iron or whatever. Protects and maintains color, protects from UV rays, smooths the cuticle. Apply to towel dried hair, distribute, then proceed with the desired styling. So it's a leave-in treatment, but it's also like you use it before you're gonna be using your styling tools, like your curling iron or your flat iron or whatever styling tool you're gonna be using. So I hope this works for me. I don't use a lot of styling tools, very rarely, only if like I'm going somewhere, and then I would use that kind of stuff. Oh my god, it smells really good. It smells like ice cream. That's why I like smelling this. It smells so good. It smells delicious. Like I just want to eat it. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. What I do is when I wash my hair, I try to use my treatments while I'm washing it. When I'm conditioning, I mix it with my other regular conditioner, and then I let it air dry. I don't use a blow dryer or anything on my hair because my hair is pretty thin. It doesn't take a long time to dry, and now it's shorter than it was, so it dries quickly. And then the next day I would add like a little bit of oil, not very much because my hair gets weighed down quickly as well. So I can't use a lot of treatments and stuff. It weighs my hair down. And my hair, within a couple days, it gets all oily again. So I have to be very careful. I'm still trying to figure out what products work best for me. So I think I'm gonna try this out and see. Instead of using the oil, I thought an oil would help because it's lighter than a cream, but I'm gonna see how this works. I don't, like I said, I don't use any styling tools, very rarely. So after I wash my hair, a towel dry, I'm gonna add some of this to it just to see. Maybe it'll smell nice as well. Hopefully it smells like ice cream. So guys, that was my unboxing. That huge gigantic box, and there's gonna be more stuff coming, and so you have to watch out for that one because there will be more Amazon orders. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. If you've done an Amazon order recently, or if you've bought any of this stuff, you can leave some comments down below so that I can see what you got, or the other viewers will be able to know what you bought. If you got a good deal on it, please let us know. It's good to share. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe as well, because I do a lot of hauls and unboxings as well on my channel. So every time I go shopping at the malls and I buy stuff, I show it on camera as well, just to share it with you guys. And yeah, so that's it, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you're having a good week so far. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.